So today I'm gonna teach you how to go from looking like this to this. Let's get into it. What is up, everybody? Hold on.
This is your captain speaking.
And I'm back. You dig what I'm saying? Now, as you can tell by the background, I am in the bathroom because today, like you see in the title, we're learning something very special today. I'm teaching you how to line yourself up with short hair or if you're going through a wolf. Now, contrary to popular belief, a lot of these wavers and a lot of these people who be wolfing make y'all think that y'all gotta look hit when you're wolfing, and that's not the case. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to change all that. Go on, cue my intro now. Okay, so these are all the things you're gonna need. Obviously, you're gonna need some clippers. You're gonna need a brush, preferably a hard brush, or you can use a comb, either one, whichever works best for your hair. And you're gonna need a mirror, and it's optional to use some alcohol, but you're probably gonna need it. And I'd advise all of you to clean your equipment before you use it every time. Okay, so the first step is to lay your wolf down by either brushing or combing your hair, whatever you do to maintain it. That's what you're gonna do right now. Okay, step 2. So what you're gonna wanna do, I like to start off with the size, the temple of my hair whenever I'm edging myself up, and it's basically like drawing. Like, you just gonna be staying in the lines, actually coloring. It's kind of like drawing and coloring. So like, you're gonna be staying in the lines. And what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to do like a chin strap, because my facial hair kind of rough. So I'm just connecting the lines, and like, I'm adjusting my glasses so I can see, and I'm just like connecting that line so it's a curve that transition into a straight line, and I'm just fixing that right there. Like, I'm going on the line, I'm trying not to go past it. So boom, hitting the line, and I'm looking in the mirror. It's just like drawing, like you tracing the line. You're not trying to cut into the line, you just tapping it, boom, then you fixing it or whatever. And you do that for both sides. Okay, I forgot to mention that this step is completely optional, but if you do have facial hair and you're trying to get the look that I'm going for, like the little chin strap, you're going to make sure that it's completely straight. So you want to take all excess hair that's preventing your beard from looking like like a bicycle helmet chin strap or whatever. You're going to want to cut that and make it like straight lines. But if you don't want facial hair, or this isn't the facial hair that you're looking for, then you will obviously skip this step. Okay, so this step is like the previous step, except you're just doing it on the opposite side. Same thing. You want to make sure that you're steady with your clippers, and you really gotta learn how to be ambidextrous doing this. I'm left-handed, so I used to struggle doing it with my right hand. As you can see, like, I'm still a little bit more comfortable doing it with my left hand than my right hand. But you got to get decently good using both your hands, your weak hand, your dominant hand, to stay in the lines. Tap the line and then move on. Use the clippers like a pencil. When you're doing a lineup, you basically drawing like it's a pencil, and you see the line, that's your natural line, and you just follow that guideline with the clippers. All you got to do is tap, and they're sharp enough where you tap it and you curve it, it'll make the image that you want. So when you're doing your edge up, or you're doing a part, or whatever you're doing with the clippers, just remember that you don't have to press hard. You just go to the line, tap it, and boom, your edge up will come out looking crispy. So that's all I'm doing on this side, similar to the other side that you guys just seen. Okay, so here I'm getting rid of the hair underneath, my neck, I mean, underneath my chin, like on my neck. I don't want all that undergrowth. Like it just it feels gross and it looks disgusting. So like I have to do something with that. So I'm just taking it up to where my jawline is, and then I'm just clearing that hair out, man. I don't know about you guys, but I did not like that hair underneath there. So I'm taking care of that, handling that business right there. Okay, so step 4 is kind of like I was doing in my previous video for edging yourself up with long hair. The hairline part is very similar, so I'm not going to touch too much on it. If you want to know more detailed about it, you can go check out that other video. But, basically same steps going up to my forehead, boom, or you could bring the clippers down from your forehead. Either one will work and get your hairline popping and crispy. Okay, so this step is again optional, but listen, man. Like I told y'all in my last video, bro, I do this because I think it completes your look. You know what I'm saying? You got your eyebrows cleaned up, it just enhances what you already got. And trust me, fellas, the muchachas, they love it. They notice it, bro. Every female I talk to notices it. So it's definitely a big enhancement, and I feel like, you can say what you want. Oh, Trey, it's gay, or Trey, God, listen, man, I ain't doing it for y'all, okay? I'm doing it for the muchachas, because they notice, baby. They notice. Okay, let's go to the next step. Okay, so the final step is the back of the neck. And this step can be kind of hard because, you got to get the right angle. And hey, y'all. Oh, my gosh. But, you got to get the right angle, and, the clippers could start heating up. So, you just got to tap the line like you've been doing. Tap the line, boom. Get the excess hair off, boom. Just like that. Just look how easy that is, man. Tap the line, boom. Look at that. Real quick, real efficient. Just make sure you clean up everything that you see. And some people like to square off the bottom of the neck, the nape of the neck. Some people like to round it off. I like to square it off when I'm not getting a fade, just because I think it's easy and it looks decently acceptable, I guess. It's not too much, not too little. It's enough, and it works. So you're gonna see me do that here in just a second, but it's real easy. Clean up the neck. The only hard part is finding the right angle and making sure that you can see well enough. And as you can see here, I'm just squaring the bottom off, taking off that excess hair on the nape, and boom, it started getting hot. The clipper started getting hot on my neck here, but that's really all you do, and you do it on the other side, and boom, you're about done. Okay, so here I'm just lining up my imaginary mustache. It's a stage prop, and yeah, I know it's not very much there, but it is some light. It catches the right light. You can see it. The little hairs that are there. So I just lined up the little stuff I do have, and again, it's optional. If you don't have it, or you got something like mine, you just don't care, then you wouldn't do this step. But I try to line it up just to make it pop. Man, look at you, man. You look like $1,000,000. You don't have to be hit when you wolfing. Whoever told you that lied to you. Now, this is something I think every man should be able to do. Line themselves up so they don't look whack when they walk out the house. Take care of yourself. Have some pride in how you look, man. Now, this is the last part. You're going to put alcohol everywhere that you done cut your hair. I know it's going to burn, but get through it, Trey. You better get through it, boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.